Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Quest 2 and VRChat are up to date. This reduces compatibility issues. Once done, open the Quest store and install or update VRChat and sign in. Then go to the Universal menu, choose Settings, navigate to System, and enable experimental features so hand tracking options become available. You do this now because the system-level toggle unlocks the hand-tracking pipeline VRChat uses. Without it, you can't proceed to the specific VRChat settings and gestures. Now open VRChat and go straight to Settings, then Input. You switch controller input to hand so VRChat routes tracking data to hand models. Choose between gesture-only or full hands-on interaction depending on what you want. Once selected, follow the calibration prompts. Move fingers, point, and perform a fist so the system maps your range. After that, enter a private world to test gestures and reach tracking. If you do this incrementally, you quickly see which mode fits your play style and whether lighting or finger visibility needs adjustment. To finish, optimize lighting and headset fit because hand cameras need clear, consistent exposure. You'll notice tracking improves when fingers are visible and the headset sits stable. If tracking drifts or gestures fail, close conflicting overlays and restart VRChat to reset input routing. Most importantly, recalibrate in bright, even light, and if needed, toggle the experimental features off and then on again to force a hardware reinitialization. These steps resolve the majority of issues. If problems persist, try a factory restart of the headset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.